Hi mga besties! Today we are going to review drugstore mascara or mascaras that you can buy from drugstores. You know, I always use mascaras from the drugstore just because I think it is cheaper and it works. So I have a lot of them. I use them daily. From time to time, I don't wear that much mascara, especially sometimes when I'm really rushing to go to work. But 80% of the time I am wearing a mascara, and that's wear mascara and a little bit of blush on and lipstick, and that's it, good to go. So today we are going to review 3 mascaras from, I got this from a drugstore, Shoppers Drug Mart to be specific. So one is Wet and Wild Mega Spin or Mega Protein. Wet and Wild Mega Protein. There you go. So for Wet and Wild, let's try this one. Let's try that. So what do you think, guys? Okay, I don't usually have, I don't have big and volume thick eyelashes. That's why I carry eye mascara with me all the time in my car and in my bag, wherever, because this I want a really nice eyelashes, thick and black. So that's for the Mega Protein Wet and Wild. I got this from Shoppers Drug Mart, and so we'll see. I'm gonna focus that. Okay, there you go. Okay, so because now I am going to wipe off that mascara that I put in. Wipe, and we're gonna put another. Oh shoot! Okay, wipe, and we're gonna put in another mascara from a different brand. I really have to. We'll see what is the thicker one. Okay. So I think that should be good enough. So next one is Revlon Revlon So Fierce. There you go. There you go, guys. Revlon So Fierce. And let's apply that in on my eyelashes right now. Sorry, I have to look at there and on the other side because my camera lens is in here, and then but I'm using a selfie stick. Okay, so what do you think of that? You think it's better than the other one? I did like at least 5 strokes. So that's for Revlon So Fierce mascara. Okay, what do you think? Okay, now let's try another brand. So I just finished wearing using that Revlon So Fierce. Now I'm gonna wipe it off again. So to get a clean eyelashes for the next brand. Okay, let's see how much. Actually, it's pretty thick already. Like that Revlon is actually not bad. It has a lot of volume on it. So now that I need to wipe that off too. And I think there's still more. Okay, so now the next one is Essence Essence Lash Princess. This one is, I saw this like these teenagers are using this when I was watching TikTok, and they think it's pretty good, so I went and grabbed one from Shoppers Drug Mart as well. You know why I go to Shoppers Drug Mart? Because I live close to it. So let's try. And the wand is a little bit, you know, like a little bit ergonomics, so that's a good start. And let's do it. Oh shoot, no, I have to wipe it off. This is the thing with when I apply mascara, it's always smear. I always smear from being so careless sometimes. Okay, so let's do that. Let's start from the bottom. I really like I like putting false eyelashes, but I just don't have time sometimes, especially when you're in a rush. And okay, so this is it. So I'm gonna take that off. So what do you think, guys? That's the Essence Lash Princess. Essence Lash Princess. And yeah, so first one that I did was Wet n Wild Mega Protein. And then the second one is So Fierce from Revlon. And the third one is Essence Lash Princess from Essence. So based on what I just did to the deck right now, the winner in this review is ta-da! Essence Lash Princess. I've been searching for really good eyelashes, you guys. No, mascara, I'm sorry. I actually had one good one too that I want to tell you. It's the L'Oreal. It was L'Oreal. Shit, I forgot. Like, it was L'Oreal. I don't know. It was something from it. I have to look it up for you. But that was a good one too. But this Eyelash Princess from Essence is actually not bad. It gives volume to my eyelashes, and it's light as well. And you know what? The good thing about this too is cheaper. It's only like $5 when I bought this. And the Mega Protein Wet n Wild, I got this for around $8, I believe. And then the Revlon is around $10, between $8 to $10. So yeah, so that's it, guys. That's our mascara review that can be bought from any drugstore. I will do another review. My next video would be Blush On from drugstore. So watch for it, and please subscribe to my channel and push that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a good day, guys, and enjoy the spring. Bye.